Good day! I am Dr. Elimar A. Pascual, Master Teacher 2 from Talangan Integrated National High School under the Department of Education, Nagcarlan Sub-Office, Laguna, Philippines. Today, I am honored to present my action research entitled Interdisciplinary Learning Through Integrated Performance Tasks, Enhancing Academic Achievement and Advancing Sustainable Development Goals in Education. In the 21st century, education demands innovative, interdisciplinary, and authentic learning approaches. Traditional assessments often measure isolated knowledge. However, real-world problems require integrated thinking, collaboration, and application of multiple disciplines. This study responds to that need by implementing an integrated performance task among grade 11 learners. This study is anchored on the following DepEd orders. Department of Education Order Number 21, Series of 2019, which promotes integrative performance tasks, and DepEd Order Number 8, Series of 2015, emphasizing authentic classroom assessment. It is also aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. First is SDG number 4, which pertains to quality education. Second is SDG number 11, which is about sustainable cities and communities. And third is SGD number 17, which is about partnerships for the goals. This action research aimed to determine the following. First is the academic performance of grade 11 learners before implementation. Second is their performance after implementation. Third is whether there is significant difference between the two. And last, the challenges and opportunities encountered by learners and teachers. The innovation introduced was the Sustainable Community Development Proposal. Students worked in groups of 6 to 7 members. They developed proposals addressing real community concerns such as environmental sustainability, health, and community wellness. This became their culminating interdisciplinary performance task. 6 core subjects were integrated: reading and writing, pagbasa at pagsusuri, statistics and probability, physical science, personal development, and health optimizing physical education. Each subject contributed a specific component to the unified proposal, allowing students to experience true interdisciplinary learning. This study utilized a mixed methods action research design. Participants included 245 grade 11 learners from different strands. Quantitative data were gathered from academic records and analyzed using a paired t-test. Qualitative data were collected through surveys and focus group discussions. Before the intervention, during the first semester, the mean academic performance was 87.16. Standard deviation was 4.47. This indicates that learners were already performing well, but there was still room for improvement. After implementing the integrated performance test in the second semester, the mean increased to 88.93. Standard deviation decreased to 4.06. This shows not only improvement, but also slightly more consistent academic performance among learners. A paired t-test revealed the following. The computed t-value is 7.05, while the p-value 0.00 is less than 0.05. Therefore, with 95% level of confidence, we can say that there is a statistically significant difference between academic performance before and after implementation. This confirms that interdisciplinary performance tests positively impacted student achievement. One major theme that emerged was collaboration and teamwork. Students emphasized unity, shared responsibility, and mutual support. They realized that learning is not just individual performance, but collective success. Another theme was time management and burnout management. Students learned to plan ahead, avoid cramming, and manage stress. Despite challenges, they developed resilience and discipline, which are essential 21st century skills. Learners became more aware of community issues. They did not see themselves merely as students, but as potential problem solvers. The project nurtured compassion, patriotism, and responsible citizenship. Teachers served as mentors and facilitators. Parents provided emotional and logistical support. This confirms that meaningful education is achieved through strong partnerships, aligning with SDG number 17. This study concludes that interdisciplinary integrated performance tests significantly improve academic achievement. More importantly, they cultivate critical thinking, collaboration, leadership, and social responsibility. Education becomes not just preparation for life, but life itself. This study recommends the following: institutionalizing interdisciplinary performance tasks, providing teacher training, strengthening school community partnerships, and encouraging further research on long-term impact. Sustaining this innovation can further enhance educational quality. As a researcher and educator, I realized that education is most powerful when it connects classroom learning with real-world application. When students engage in meaningful, community-driven projects, learning becomes transformative. This experience reaffirmed my commitment to innovative and sustainable educational practices. Thank you very much for watching and listening to this presentation. Once again, I am Dr. Elimar A. Pascual from Talangan Integrated National High School, Laguna, Philippines. May we continue working together toward quality, inclusive, and transformative education. To God be all the glory. Have a wonderful day.